Wow, 100,000 subscribers. I'm blown away. What a journey it's been. 3 years ago, Dom and I were talking about building my business and different ways that we could do that. And he said to me, you need to start thinking of yourself as a content creator. As soon as he said that, I knew that he was right. Prior to our talk that day, I had used YouTube as a place to put quick painting videos that I'd made for Instagram. I didn't take it seriously. But that day, 3 years ago, something clicked and I decided to take it seriously. I knew nothing about standing in front of the camera. I had no fancy cameras or lighting equipment. My knowledge of editing was limited, but I knew that I loved painting in watercolour and I wanted to share that love. When I first started, I stood awkwardly in front of my iPhone and I stumbled over my words. I felt self-conscious and nervous. I've got a scrap of because I want you to see the effect. Interesting cast shadows, no. Even though the paint was dry, I didn't want to. So I recently painted this scruffy long-haired dog. And today I'm going to go. I still feel awkward and self-conscious, but that's okay because it's not about me. It's about sharing what I know about painting and watercolour, and it's about sharing my love of this medium with you. Anyway, I'm just getting started. From now on, I'll have my son helping me film and edit my videos. I'm no longer going to use my iPhone to film. I've bought a new fancy camera that I'll have to learn how to use. Some new microphones, and I'll be filming in this new studio. All videos from now on will have full English captions as well. Who would have thought that over 100,000 people would be interested in what I've got to say? I'm truly grateful to each and every one of you. Thank you to all of you who have subscribed. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for commenting, thank you for sharing, and thank you for not letting me feel that I'm just standing here talking to myself. Congratulations on your new subscriber milestone. We are honoured to take part in recognising your achievement. Wow, 1,000 subscribers. I'm blown away. That was 1,000. Wow, 1,000. What a journey it's been. 3 years ago, Dom and I were talking about building my business and it was crap.
You stopped. I don't know why you stopped.
Stopped what?
After blown away, you said 3 years ago, and 3 years ago, like you're ready to stop and start again.
As soon as he said that, I knew that he was right. Prior to our talk, I knew nothing about standing in front of the camera. All videos from now on will have full English captions as well. Captions. It's really hard to say, English captions. Don't shake your head. I'll get it, eventually. Can't I just put music over this bit?
Sure.